so beautiful. Yeah, you are. See, there's Daddy's girl. See, look at Daddy's girl. See, I waited a long time for you. I sure did. I waited a long time for you. Yeah, look at you. Oh. Yeah, my girl. That's going to be Grandma's girl. Oh, yes, it is. Oh, yes, it is. That is going to be Grandma's girl. That is going to be Grandma's girl. So you are doing something. What you doing? You are doing something. Yes, you are. Oh, my gosh. They're doing something. I'm doing a good job. I'm doing a good job. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. So your picture is plastered from Afghanistan to Iraq. See, look at you. Uh-oh.
She even looks more like your mom than she looks like you.
Everybody says she looks like me in school.
She does.
Oh,
there's the poop.
That's the poop face.
Yeah, I got poop face. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yes, you're beautiful. Oh, Sav, I got a little girl to spoil now. Oh, I just can't wait. I just can't wait.
Hold on, Mom. Where's your car keys?
Oh my goodness. Such a good girl, too. Yes, she is. She's a good girl.
Face she's making.
See, who's that? Who is that? Who is that big man standing there? That's your crazy papa. Is he? Oh, see, I love my daddy. I love my daddy. I love my daddy. Here, Mama. Uh-oh. I think I'm done, Mama.
She's got poopy pants.
She